My name is Tom Cuthell. I'm the Portfolio Director for Connecting Africa at Connect 365, and I'm responsible for setting the strategy for AfricaCom and leading the project. So I look at what we're doing with the show, the new markets or industries that we're expanding into, and deliver it on site. I would say, for me, listening to the conversation today, one of the things that really emerged was the need to create an enabling regulatory environment for those that are looking to connect Africa and accelerate digital transformation to effectively do their jobs. So I think from an AfricaCom perspective on that, that's a challenge for us to help facilitate that, bring in policymakers and regulators to the show, connect them with decision makers in the architects of Africa's digital future, really connect those people and facilitate more interaction between them. So we have parts of the show, one of which is called the LeadersIn Africa Summit, which is built around that very purpose. We're looking to connect those two groups. So I think it was useful for me to hear, because I think it's something AfricaCom can act as a platform to help that happen. What the panel discussion was focused on today was mapping out Africa's journey towards the fourth industrial revolution. And that theme is really important for us. I think the show has evolved from a telecoms focused event to a much broader platform for digital communication, where I think the core topic really is digital transformation and how that impacts every aspect of lives and businesses on the continent. Everybody has to develop a digital strategy, whether you're in banking, utilities, manufacturing, and I think that's what our community is focused on now. So yes, it was good. I think the direction we're taking the show in, I think, is reflected in a lot of the interests, priorities and concerns of our community. So to celebrate the 20th anniversary of the show, we're launching the Technology Arena, which is the new exhibition hall at the CTICC. And this whole hall is built around the theme of Africa 4.0 and digital transformation on the continent. So from an attendees perspective, that means firstly an entirely new exhibition hall showcasing some of the kind of most cutting edge technology solutions available. Within that, there will be a new feature called AfricaCom 2020. That's 3 days of conference content, all built around tech trends in Africa and kind of visionary insights into what people in our community are doing. We'll also be moving the A Hub into that hall, relocating TV Connect, which is another conference that looks at digital broadcasting. That will also be in the technology arena. So really, that will be a kind of buzzing new environment, looking at tech and kind of showcasing the other side of AfricaCom. As a delegate, you should attend AfricaCom. I think it's the learning value and the networking value. As a delegate, you would have access to 16 different conference tracks, up to 6 social functions and networking features. So you really get to spend time and develop strategy with the people who are actually driving digital transformation. You have the leaders there, the policymakers, the regulators, people from all sides of the industry coming together to really map out that digital strategy for Africa. And I think if you come as a delegate, you're able to participate in that and actually make your mark on the blueprint for Africa's digital revolution. So there really is no better place to showcase products, services, solutions. It's the place where all business gets done in the telecoms and tech ecosystem in Africa. So I think you benefit from exposure to 13,000 attendees, professionals, all involved in these spaces. You benefit from access to senior decision makers. We'll have around 500 executive leaders at AfricaCom. So these are C-level representatives from the major network operators, large enterprises in Africa, tech giants like Google or Facebook. I think digital Africa is a huge opportunity. So I mean, yes, an element of that is international companies coming into that space and providing products and services to help accelerate digital transformation. At the same time, you also have kind of homegrown talent, African tech solutions as well. We're showcasing those in the A Hub. We have a very big part of the show dedicated to the African tech startup ecosystem called the A Hub. So we're connecting those guys with investors, we're helping them scale up. So it's both. You have African solutions as well as international solutions.